I'm really excited to bring you these fabrics this morning. They are a perfect blend of right now, but also trending into fall. The colors, everything about it is just so fresh and current, and just really exciting. And they're going to be $14.99 today only. Today only. This is a print that is so classic. And now it has white and umber, and it's the raw umber that's a really big color for fall, and this is it mixed with the white, so it really works for now, but of course it'll take you quite a bit into the spring. This is a cotton poly. It's got just a tiny bit of poly. It's a stretch, and it's beautiful. It's just a really pretty fabric, and it blends just perfectly with this solid. This solid is the raw umber. This is the color that they're talking about when they talk about this now for fall. This is 100% cotton knit. $14.99 is a steal price. It has stretch in one direction, and you can see, isn't that beautiful together? They're just so pretty together. All right, so, and then what I did is I mixed it with this cotton, and this also is 100% cotton. So if you have a shirt or a, something that you want to do that's like a little cardi over, this could be that, they could really work together. So this has the blue which is really big for fall, and also this raw umber. Just very pretty together. So these fabrics really work together all the way across this little dot. Now this is 100% cotton, and this is a woven. But you can see the little dots are the raw umber, the little color in there. So that is a great combination. Also shirt and little cardi sometime. This could be $9.15. Hugo's cardigan, and this could be a little shirt underneath. Same, they're just great combinations. And then I put this in because this is a water resistant. It's a cotton poly. It's a twill weave, and it's beautiful. It has stretch in both directions. And it's just so rare that I find these type of fabrics, and they're so expensive. We don't have a lot on the bolt, but again, $14.99 is just a great price for this. And we had just a little bit of the blue left, so I put this in. There's only a few yards, but it's a cotton poly stretch woven, same as this, the raw umber. This is the blue, but it also will pair just really well with this group. So I just felt like this is just such a great group. Combinations, cottons, natural fibers, beautiful colors, and again, they work for now, but they also work for fall. So it's a great way to really blend your dressing. The goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.